Ari na naman kami. Isa-isa kunin ang mga Wcopa winners. When you say Wcopa, World Championships of Performing Arts. And with me, ang isa ka pinakamasiling ko nga makonsider ta nga charity prince. Kag taga Pontevedra ini siya. He possessed a very kind heart and ang Pontevedra show hindi gini magiging very successful without his great effort and love for the church. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only, may palangga, Kerwin Uy. Kerwin, good day to you. How are you?
Hi, good day everyone. I'm okay.
Kerwin, tell us briefly about yourself.
I'm just an ordinary person hoping to achieve my dreams and ambitions in life. And of course, before we engage to a certain scenario or situation, we have to surrender everything to God.
Yes.
Because without God, so wala mangyayari sa atin.
Correct. Yes. So, okay, Kerwin, last night was a very successful evening. Because it was really for God, no, and everything. So, can you tell us about your experience last night? Ano ang feel mo after everything?
Actually, when you prepare or when you have a certain mission or activity, aragin na siya usual ang stress.
Yes.
Pressured ka tama.
Yes.
But if you have purpose or if you are passionate and determined, so wala siyang imposible. So just last night, kanami gid siya kay since nga hindi lang po silingan niya you have a talent nga i-ano mo lang siya ikimkim mo lang kita sa imo. But you have to share it sa tao. It's because nga hindi lang pwedeng sa aton lang siya. So mas manami nga ma-share mo and then maka-touch ka sa iba niya naging happy man sila at the same time sa talent nga gina-offer. At the same time parehas na siyang gina-offer mo man kay God balik.
Yes, offer it and for the glory of God actually.
Tita.
Hello JM Plangga, good day. How are you?
Good day tita, good day din sa mga nanonood ng TM.
Okay, tell me something about yourself para malaman nila.
So I'm John Michael Avellino, James for short, and I've been in the music industry for almost 15 years already. So ang nangyari po is I started singing by 7 years old.
Wow.
Sa church.
Wow.
Yeah, in a wedding po.
Oh, no wonder that you have a heart for charity.
Yeah, po.
Oo. So, JM, knowing that you are one of the winners of Wcopa, kindly explain or kindly tell them your experience in LA at ano ang naramdaman mo na nanalo ka. At bakit palaging ganun yung mga Pinoy na nanalo? Okay, tell them please.
Okay, so yung sa question na po yun, tita, actually it's my first international competition.
Wow.
So it's a life-changing talaga sa akin. Then, syempre, nakakakaba Pilipino yung kasama mo, tita.
At ilan kayo nag-compete?
We are 100 plus Filipino.
Really?
Filipino pa lang yun.
Wala pa yung ibang
Wala
bansa?
pang countries. 65 countries ang
competed?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, really?
Yes, ganun po dito ka lang.
So how many songs did you sing?
Sa genre po ay sang 7 genres. So sa 7 genres po nakakuha po ako ng 2 gold, 2 silver, 2 bronze, and then I have a another platinum award which is a division winner of a certain genre. Yun.
Wow, ang galing.
Semi-finals na rin ako. And thank God, gano'n nangyari.
Wow, ang galing. Froilan Ray. Hi, Froilan!
Hello po, Tita Token, and hello everyone.
Yeah?
Kamusta po kayo?
Wow! Froilan, you made so many hearts, kagabi.
Oo nga po eh.
Naku, nagda-jump yung mga girls doon.
Actually, wala pa po ang tulog, pero okay lang kasi it feels different kapag napapasaya mo yung mga tao.
And you really help a great deal because this is for the repairs of the church. And for that, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart also. Yes. Tell us briefly about yourself so the people will know more about you.
So, hello everyone, I'm Froilan Ray. I'm a World Championships of Performing Arts multi-medalist 2019. I joined in singing and modeling, but I won for the Team Philippines in modeling. So, I won Model of the World.
Wow! Okay. Nako, imagine mo ha. Ano kaya ang sikreto ng mga Pinoy at lagi nananalo sa sa mga ganyang competitions? What do you think is the secret?
Siguro po, Tita Token, yung sikreto ng mga Pinoy is yung strong bond natin na pag magkakasama tayo, kahit nasa ibang bansa tayo, hindi natin pinapa-feel sa ibang tao na mag-isa tayo. Pag Pinoy magkakasama, feeling natin nandun pa rin tayo sa Pinas eh.
Hindi, tsaka you really have a talent.
Opo, yung talent din natin, yung mga Pinoy, grabe talaga.
Maramdaman yung passion yun, ang gift talaga ni God, ano? Okay.
First of all, Wcopa is a World Championship of Performing Arts, and it is only talent Olympics in the world, held every year in Los Angeles, California. And it's a showcase of different kinds of performance or talents. It has an instrumentalist, singers, dancers, varieties, models, and actors. So bali ano na siya, it's a worldwide competition. So bali kumbaga patita nagapadala each country sa mga selective na gid nila nga mga talents to compete.
So that time when you joined that contest, pila ka mo kabilo? I mean all over the world.
All over the world. It's sang time gid yan ako nung 2019, 73 countries all over the world.
Oh my gosh, 73
Yes,
countries.
yes, 73 countries.
And he won!
Yeah, it's a multi-medalist.
Grabe, Pride of Negros!
Thank you, Tita. Ang message ko lang sa inyo, if you have a dream,
And to the fellow artists.
yes, if you have a dream, so never give up. If you are passionate and determined, so pursue it. Oh, because God is always there. And then, thank you for the support always. Lifetime na pasasalamat din sa inyo.
Yes. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Kangga
Tita.
Kerwin.